The fire way in your show me, you're a soldier in your army. You're smoother than the creamer when me pour it on me coffee. Anything me need, me now fi search because you have it. Long conversations and
welcome back to another episode, people. Don't know, so today we be figuring out, me and my buddy, we figuring out how we change a CV Axel. What he does, he been a mechanic for the longest. So I'm just gonna tag along and see if I can learn a thing or two. You know what I mean? We got both CV Axel, driver side and passenger side. 2011 Toyota Highlander. 3.5 liter. 2011, I believe I said that. And 6-cylinder. And both the CV axles are bad. Both the boots are bad. Hope y'all could get to see an opportunity what condition they're in. But for now, they're really bad. It's been in my mind for a little bit to have them replaced. And so, I bought them online. I was going to go to Toyota Las Vegas. I wasn't going to go there. That's way too expensive. Matter of fact, to rebuild the CV axle just to put the boot on, they wanted $1,000 for both sides. And, I had to figure out an alternative. How I'm going to get them, get my car treated. Getting my car some attention, tender love and care, So yeah, I did a bit of research. I talked to a lot of people. The ultimate conclusion I came through was to buy them online. I bought one on Rock Auto and the other one on eBay Motors, and I'm feeling happy. I'm really feeling happy. I fixed my car, but according to what you see on the screen right now, we just loosened the main nut that holds the CV axle in place. Right now, he just hung up the caliper with a bungee cord for safety precautions, of course. And here you go. He's just tapping it out. And you go pry it out from the back. There you go. It's my first time really, doing some extensive video work, editing, shooting and editing, and voiceover as a matter of fact. So it's a learning experience thus far. Kind of enjoying it, to be honest with you. Takes me out of my comfort zone. I love that. And shout out to my boy, man. D, Mechanic D. Here we go. We got tap it in, force it up in there in that little spot in the transfer case that's connected to the transmission. The seal was good. We didn't have to change it. Once he pushed it up in there, the transmission fluid stopped leaks out. And it's just a matter of navigating the other end of the CV axle. Remount the caliper, the whole caliper system right there up on the shocks. I forgot the name, but yeah, those big boards. He just fixing it up so we could tap it in really. Yeah. Stay tuned. Continue watching. I really don't know what much to say, but the video is self-explanatory, so don't mind me because like I said, first time doing this degree and caliber of work, which is recording, putting the clips together, voiceovers and stuff like that. So it was a learning experience for me. Because I watch a lot of videos on repairing cars, and I knew how to, from the videos I watch, I knew how to take it apart, replace the CV axles and stuff. But I didn't want to do it myself, because I believe I do have a little touch of anxiety here and there, especially if I don't have a professional with me, And it came out really good though. You put it back really nice. So all we have to do is tighten up the whole thing and snap it up together. Matter of fact, this is the other side. This is the driver's side, the passenger side.
Yep, it's up there. Yeah, I just got to pry it out. I need the pry bar anyway because I need it for the bottom. The pocket inside.
Yeah, so this is the driver's side for the CV axle. And what it is, there's just little flange support mechanism right up in here. That's the only difference with this side. And my boy already got it. Yes, sir.
That's how we plan it. Now let's hit it out of there. It's moving. It's already moving. Yeah. Why you don't want to come out? Yeah. It's the angle that it's at. Oh, because that side already came out, that's why.
Oh,
You see it? It's already came out, yeah.
I thought you knew. I mean, the whole thing came out.
Yeah, I already took the fin off of it.
Well, yeah, I see that part.
All right. Now, this should slide off. All right, hold it there. there. This one might already have one. See that little hole? Okay. I just need it to hang up for a second. Get this. Take that clip off, put it on here. Lock and click. Mm-hmm. There we go. Simple as ABCs. 1, 2, 3. Shit for you. Alright, I'm gonna go under.
Go down. Okay.
I got it.
Let me know if you need me to angle it a bit.
It's hitting against that, yeah. You gotta move that. Just a matter of time. There we go.
All the way in?
And then?
Is it all the way in on your side?
Yeah. You gotta lower that. It's gotta come down. Push it down. Yep. All right, give me 1 second. Just leave it right there. My work guy every day running up and down the fence. All right, I got it. So now you got to play the push. Just like that.
So the undercarriage is really looking good. I love it. I watch a lot of videos. I watch a lot of Scotty Kilmer, Car Key and Nut channel, and a few other channels which I can't think of their names at the top of my head right now. But underneath what he's doing after installing the passenger side. There it is right there, the shaft that connects to the transfer case. It's there right there. So what he's doing there is applying the locking ring to the flange area right there. As you see, I'm gonna put a little circle around it. Yeah, he's applying the locking ring so the shaft cannot move from out. That's the locking ring. He's using like a plier type thing. But for the life of him, he keeps snapping out of place, so he wasn't able to get it on with the first few attempts. But with persistence, we were able to get it in and lock it in as required by the manufacturer. So there you go, the locking ring with the flange area there, and it was really beautiful underneath. The car doesn't rust. I think I definitely do need a gasket for my oil pan. I have minor seepage on the carriage, but other than that, that's just a little thing. It was coming loose. Nothing to be worried about. But let me know, folks, for what I've done, man. A lot more videos to come. A lot more videos to come from where this came from, I'll be definitely improving, sharpening on my skills as I put more content together, because really,
When it's snapped back, it's snapped back.
I'm trying to really get my channel monetized and stuff. And, bring y'all a lot of quality content. I'll be doing a lot of research and stuff like that, so just I want y'all to stay tuned, have faith, you know what I mean, because your boy will be doing a lot of big things in the near future, and y'all won't be disappointed. Yes sir, and yes ma'am. Big things are coming. Y'all gotta be the first one to, be in the know. For sure.